Hi, today it was so fun because we had to take our daughter up to, where did we go? Wyoming. And she had to deliver a couple of her puppies there. So we went with her so she wouldn't drive alone. And I looked up to see a thrift store located up there that I could go visit. And it had like 5 stars. And so I just want to show you the haul that I got today. So excited. So actually, on the way back home, I went through another city and I stopped there. So the first haul was, I'll start right here and I will show you. I always like to look at the glassware, kitchenwares, and all that first. So I saw this picture here and it was $4, and I thought how cute because it has the detail right there and details here. Now this side, of course, I did not like as much, so I'm gonna spray paint it all white and then do the details, and I'll show you when we get done. These items, I was excited to find 3 different, well, they go together, and they have the bubbles on the outside. I was thinking that this could be, if I spray painted it white, it would resemble the milk ware. And I thought that would look really cute because they have bumps. So I'm gonna try that too. Then they were, I think they were $2. These were $2. These 2 were $1. And I'm gonna try and experiment on something. And I thought, okay, I wanted to try on something that was inexpensive in case it went wrong. And then this last cute vase, I love the details in here, and I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do with this, but I love it. And then my husband cooks, so he was excited. He found 2 of the thermometers, and I didn't know what this was until he explained it. You can melt butter on the stove with this instead of having to put it in the microwave. And then an expandable hot dog or marshmallow. We have a few of them, these sticks, but we have a fire pit, and the grandkids, when they come over, we love making those. So I got those. Then I looked in the fabric. People said, look in the fabric. So this is a curtain. So it has quite a bit of fabric to work with. It's big, it's folded up like 3 times. And this one was $1. $1. You can't get fabric that cheap. And this is the colors that I am actually putting in our bedroom, and I needed to refinish a chair pad in there. So I thought, oh, that will be perfect. And let's see, the last thing I got there, come in my living room. So I got these pillows. I have 3 of them, brand new, for the big amount of $4. And I love the colors. And so I got 3 of them right there. And this one I got, it's on Amazon, this pillow. I got it another place and it was $2. And I had seen it on there, and it was, I don't know, maybe about 20 some dollars. So I was happy to get that. Okay, so then after that, we went to another city in another state, and I am so excited. Look, my husband found this, $5. And actually, I don't know if I want to change anything, because is that beautiful for fall? I love it. I love the details in this vase. And then I've been wanting an orb, and this was $6. And so I thought I'd put a plant in it. I'll show you when I'm done with that. My husband also found this urn with the ivy in it. And let's see the price on this. I think it was, what is it? $4. So even for the leaves alone, if I wanted to use those in something else, it's perfect. But I think I'm gonna use it for something for outdoors. And that way, because when they're in planters, they kind of die because they get really dry. And the last thing my husband saw, he was excited for these. It's a whole bag of little tiny apples, and also there's some pears in there. So you can see a pear right here. The whole bag was $5. Now you know how much artificial fruit is. And not that I really like artificial fruit, except for this looks real. Around September, fall days, I could do lots of things with these. And so that was our haul today. I will get back to you on a further date, and I will show you what we've done with these beautiful things that we are going to repurpose and fill someone's home or our home with happiness.